So first and foremost, you have to boil the chicken until it becomes a little tender before you can start the cooking process. So as the chicken is boiling, I'll be here preparing the ingredients that I'm going to use. So the ingredients are already washed, so I'm just cutting them so that they are ready by the time the chicken is fully boiled. Thank you so much for clicking in. If you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana, karibu sana. If you are new here, this channel is about cooking. We do a lot of physical fitness. We also do a lot of family vlogs. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. So today we have a very, very interesting menu. We're going to cook kuku kienyeji. I mean kuku original, the original chicken. That is what we're going to cook today. So before we start, guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Please subscribe to this channel. Press the notification bell. Tell a friend to subscribe. So on to my ingredients. Let me introduce to you the ingredients that I have today that I'm going to use for this for preparing this chicken. So I have chicken masala, right? Then I have salt to taste. Then I have onions. I saw someone comment on my comment section to include the quantity, so I used 2 large onions. Yes. Then we have green pepper. Then I have garlic, just to give the chicken some aroma. Then I have coriander or dania if you wish. Then this is tomato. It's already blended. This is tomato and it's blended. Then our cooking oil is here. Then this is our chicken. It's already boiled. The chicken is already boiled. So without much further ado, can we start our cooking? Guys, first and foremost, I'm going to put in the oil. That's enough. Then I'm going to allow it to heat just a bit. So the oil is ready. I'm now going to put in the chicken into the oil. I'm going to add the red onions. I will add the red onions, then I will stir, and then I'm going to wait until it turns a little golden brown before I can add the garlic. I do not want to put the garlic and the onions together because the garlic cooks faster than the red onions. So I'm going to give it time to cook before I can put in the garlic. As you can see, the onions have started browning. So at this point, I'm going to add the garlic. The garlic will just be to give the chicken some aroma. and continue stirring. As you have seen, also the chicken is turning brown. I will keep on stirring it until I get my desired color. But from what I can see, the garlic has already browned, same as the red onions. At this point, I'm going to add the tomatoes. Remember, we blended the tomatoes to make it easy for cooking. Then I'm going to stir. Then I'm going to add salt. I'm going to put just a little. Then I'm going to add chicken masala. Then I'm going to add Royco. This is the chicken flavored one. Yes. Then I'm going to continue stirring. I don't want to add too much spices because I want to feel the original taste of the chicken. So after stirring, so at this point I'm going to cover it. Then I'm going to allow it to cook. So guys, this is how our chicken looks like. The aroma is out of this world. So since the chicken is pre-boiled, I'm just going to add a little water, just a little, to enable the tomatoes to cook well. So this is a very, very simple recipe, very simple. So our chicken is boiling well. I'm just going to give it about 5 minutes. Then I add the green pepper and coriander. So at this point, I'm going to add the green pepper. Then I'm going to stir it. Then I'm going to switch off the fire. Then I'm going to add my coriander. So our food is ready. So guys, this is how our chicken looks like. So yummy and delicious. I can't wait to taste it. So you can serve this with rice, chapati, mokimo, or anything that you like. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, also comment in the comment section. I'll be able to see it. Let me know what your thoughts are. So until the next episode of Mami Tujay's Asewe, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Until the next episode, bye.